Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We apply about the product rule of derivative. So we have y equals to ab. So if we do first derivative of this one, you got about first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So for this one, you got about first derivative of s multiplied by ln s to the power of 2 plus first derivative of ln s to the power of 2 multiplied by s. Now for this one, you got about number 1. Now let's go to this one. Because you got number 1, so we can put like this. So we apply about the power rule of derivative. So if we have y equals to a to the power of n, if we do first derivative, you got about na to the power of n minus 1. Later that we do first derivative of a. So this one is about number 2. Number 2 represent is about n. So this one you got about 2 ln s to the power of 2 minus 1. Later that we do first derivative of ln s. So number 2 minus 1, you got about 1. So we can write ln s. First derivative of ln s, you got about 1 over s. So 1 over s simplified by s, you got about 2 ln s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.